Today I am going to explain the lesson Footprints Without Feet. This chapter is about a great scientist, Griffin, who invented how the human body could be transparent or invisible. But children, you know that this scientist Griffin used this power to fulfill his desire. He did not use this power for welfare of the human beings. The author of this chapter is H.G. Wells. H.G. Wells is known as great novelist, historian, and especially for science novel or science fiction. The theme of the story is misuse of the science. After inventing the power of invisibility, Griffin misused the power to steal, to rob, to beat any person. Character of this novel, character of this story, first Griffin. He is the main character of the story and he is also a great scientist, but he was freak. Landlord. Landlord is the character where Griffin lived in the house of landlord as renter. Two boys. Two boys who in the beginning in the story who followed the footprints of the Griffin. Mistress Hall and Mr. Hall, owner of the inn. When the scientist reached the Iping village and he booked 2 rooms in the inn of Mr. Hall and Mistress Hall, shopkeeper, who was robbed by Griffin. Assistants of the London big store, workers of London store who tried to catch him, but the Griffin again ran away. Clergyman, priest of the church, who was also robbed by Griffin. Place of the story. This story happens in London and Iping village. I have divided the story in some parts so that we can understand the story of the concept of the story. Griffin was a great scientist who wanted to discover how to make the human body transparent and invisible. One day he got success in discovering the drug, and finally he swallowed the drugs and his body became transparent like glass. But only his body was invisible, not his clothes. So whenever he removed all the clothes, then he became complete invisible. But he did not use it for good works. He misused it to fulfill his desire. misuse of the power. He took revenge from his landlord. He took revenge from the landlord because landlord did not like him due to her bad activity, and first time when he invented the power of drugs, first he misused over landlord. He set fire to the house of landlord, and fear to escape from the police, he ran away from that place. But he chose the time bad, bad time, because in the London it was a mid-winter point of the London. Now he had become complete naked. He was feeling very cold, so he entered into a big London store for warmth and some foods. Here he enjoyed the foods, enjoyed the dress, and decided to sleep that night. But he did not wake up in the morning. He woke up late. Then the worker, the assistants of the store had arrived and saw that there was a person who was sleeping in their store. When he saw them, he ran away. But he could be caught by them, so he started throwing all his clothes and became invisible, complete invisible when he removed all his clothes. And again once more he became naked in the month of chill January. So children, second time he misused his power after robbing the London store. Now from here he reached the Drury Lane, which was the center of the center of theater world. Here any kinds of dress could be found, could be bought. This time he found a suitable shop and decided to cover all the naked part of his body from the shoulders. He bandaged around his forehead, dark glass, false nose, big bushy side whiskers, and large hat. Now he attacked over a shopkeeper and robbed him of all the money and ran to Iping village to escape from the crowd of London people. So again he misused his power, and again after robbing he ran to the village to escape from the London police or people of the London. Here he reached and booked two rooms in the local inn. The owner of this local inn was Mr. Hall and Mistress Hall. They were surprised in this winter season. Who can come? Because the winter was in its peak point, and nobody was coming in the inn to book the room. But this man appeared, reached there, and booked two rooms and paid advance. But his appearance was strange because his head was bandaged, His nose was covered with false nose. He had a goggle glass. So everyone tried to discuss about his appearance and his strange appearance and his activity. But then he said that nobody will disturb me. I have come here to invent something, to research. So I just want alone. Nobody should come in my room. The old owner of this inn was happy, though no problem. We will not disturb you, because they were happy, because he has paid a advance amount. Now the money did not last for a long time and he needed money. Mr. Hall, Mrs. Hall also demanded the rent for the room, but he told, I will pay after some time, because an amount of check is about to come to me, so wait for some time. And then he decided to rob again in the house of clergymen. He went there and robbed them. He took all the coins from his desk, from house, and couple of the old people came with poker, but when they entered into the room, nobody was there. They were surprised who was there. In the next morning, the people were talking about this theft. Mrs. Hall and Mistress Hall were also talking. There is a, there is a work of witch, but it all things was wrong, and now this time Mr. Mrs. Hall decided to find the truth. One day they found the door of Griffin's room was open. They were surprised. Usually it was shut and locked. They peeped around, but nobody, but not found anyone. All the clothes and bandage were lying about, scattered here and there. Suddenly she heard a sound of breathing near her ear. A height rose up and collided with face. Then chair also started to move. They turned away in fear. The chair pushed them out of the room. The door was closed and locked. Mr. Hall, Mistress Hall fell down the stairs and began to cry. She thought that there was a ghost in her room. Villagers thought that this trouble was due to witchcraft, but news of the clergyman confirmed everyone that Griffin was behind this theft. This theft. Because before a few days he had told that he had no cash to pay Mistress Hall. Mistress Hall went to Griffin's room, asked how he entered a locked room. Then scientist lost his temper and threw everything. Then informed the police, and Constable Jeffers came and surprised to know that he had to catch a man without head. He was becoming invisible as he was throwing his one clothes after another. Those people tried to catch him were beaten by unseen blows. Jeffers was thrown down after beaten in unconscious condition. Now once more Griffin was free. Children, you saw the story how the Griffin misused the power of invisibility to fulfill his desire. When we analyze the character of Griffin, we find that he was a great scientist, no doubt. He was a great scientist, no doubt, but no doubt, but as a human being, he was not a good man. He misused the power of invisibility. He invented the power of invisibility. He was a lawless person. Even he robbed the clergyman. He did not leave the clergyman who is worshipper of God. But children, he had no fear of God also. He was doing whatever thing, whatever he thought, and whatever things, whatever opinion was in coming his mind. So as a human beings, he was not good. As a scientist, he was a great, but he did not use his power of invisibility for the welfare of the human beings. So that's for all. Thanks.